continuing here at the Holiday Inn in Auburn, New York. So you do have a lot of chairs here on this thing. And you get to know that's a fitness center right up here. And you can know the pool is closed for their renovations. And it's from June 24th to July 8th. And it'll be reopening on July 9th, which is my mom's birthday, Jessica's birthday, Tammy's birthday, and Uncle Tim's birthday. But it's not the permanently thing here because it's temporarily. That's the seasonal maintenance. Because they do have the emergency phone on that. Right over here, you can see this thing here. And that's the Fillmore room. Right over here, they had a McMurphy's Pub. And there's now the Skinny Atlas room. And they do have the North Street Bar and Grill, which was formerly a Hamburger Theory. And over here on level 4, that's my room. And over here, that's the glass elevator, which is out of order. So if you want to subscribe to this channel, just be sure for next year, stay at that hotel in July 2027. And that way, we will be in the pool. Just be sure you'll be subscribing this thing here. So don't forget to subscribe. So thank you all for watching. Bye.